Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about JTable, part of programming in Java course. JTable is a class in the Swing library of the Java programming language that represents a two-dimensional table of data that can be displayed and edited. JTable is a powerful component that allows you to display and manipulate tabular data in a user-friendly way. It is a highly customizable component and can be used to display data from a variety of sources, such as databases, arrays, and collections. Here is an example of creating a simple JTable. In this example, a new JTable object is created with the given data and column names. The data is represented by a two-dimensional array of objects where each row represents a single record and each column represents a field in the record. The column names are represented by a string array. A JS scroll pane is created and table is added to the scroll pane, and the scroll pane is added to the frame. JTable is a powerful component that allows you to display and manipulate tabular data in a user-friendly way. It can be used to display data from a variety of sources, and it is a highly customizable component. It can be used to sort and filter data and remove rows and handle user inputs. It also supports various selection modes such as single selection, multiple selection, and cell selection. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.